Looking for ways to earn extra cash from your online activities? Welcome to the world of online earning, an arena where the internet isn't just a tool for work or entertainment, but a platform to increase your income. One of the most popular platforms in this space is AdaClicks.net. Before we dive into the fascinating world of AdaClicks, we have a small request. If you find our content helpful and want to stay updated on all our future videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way you'll never miss out on our amazing money-making methods, and we want to get to know you better. We're all about providing global opportunities for online earning. So go ahead and comment your country below. This will help us to create region-specific videos and tailor our content to better serve you. Now grab your notepads, sit back, and let's begin our journey into online earning. Now you might ask, what's so special about AdaClicks? Well, it's a free worldwide advertising platform that pays its users. Yes, you heard right. AdaClicks allows you to earn money by simply viewing ads. It's an innovative approach that turns traditional advertising on its head, paying you, the viewer, rather than charging the advertiser. It's a win-win situation, where businesses get their products seen and you get paid for your time. So, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker looking for a side hustle, AdaClicks could be your ticket to extra cash. Now how about we delve into how you can start earning extra cash on AdaClicks? Ready to learn about the ways you can earn on AdaClicks? Let's start with high-paying surveys. Here, you get to share your opinion on diverse topics and get paid for it. And it doesn't stop there. You can also earn by completing various offers. These offers range from simple sign-ups to more engaging tasks. Now, if you love connecting with people and sharing good stuff, then referring others to AdaClicks might just be your thing. Each referral earns you more dough. And let's not forget the thrill of competition. Participate in several contests on the platform, and if you emerge victorious, you get to earn even more. Have some idle time? Turn it into cash by just watching ads. And to top it all, AdaClicks gives you task bonuses. The potential here is impressive. Picture earning up to $20+ every day from surveys and offers. And the best part, you can multiply your earnings with their exclusive referral program. Curious about how the referral program can boost your earnings? Well, here's the magic of it. AdaClicks offers an exclusive referral program that can supercharge your income. It's a simple system, really. You refer others to the platform, they sign up and start earning, and you get a piece of their earnings. That's right, you make money when they make money. And the best part is, the potential for maximum referral earnings goes up to a whopping 20%. That's a continuous stream of income just from referring others. So if you're looking for a way to earn passively, while helping others discover a reliable platform to gain extra cash, then the referral program is the golden ticket you've been waiting for. But how can you get your hands on your hard-earned cash? Wondering how to cash out your earnings on AdaClicks? Well, you'll be pleased to know that there are several options available to suit your needs. AdaClicks has partnered with a variety of payment platforms to ensure you have the utmost convenience when receiving your hard-earned money. First off, they have the popular PayPal, widely accepted and used globally. Then there's Perfect Money, another secure and reliable option. If you prefer digital currencies, you can opt for Bitcoin, a leading cryptocurrency. Looking for other alternatives? They've got Payeer, Aarm, Skrill, and even Faucet Pay. What's great about these options is their global reach. You can select the payment method that suits your country. This way, you're not limited by geographical restrictions. So, whether you're in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, or anywhere else in the world, you can easily and conveniently cash out your earnings. So there you have it. Earning extra cash from your online activities is as easy as signing up on AdaClicks and starting to view ads, complete surveys, and refer others. In the end, thank you for watching the video. If you found it valuable, please show your support by liking, commenting, and sharing. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.